This is a review of a Peter Atwood first production run, stonewash finished, CPM S35V stainless steel, Generation 5 Prybaby multi-tool. Features include 6 SAE wrench sizes, which are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9/16 inch. Also features a 5/16 wrench, which doubles as a bottle opener. It has hex indents for grip, as well as a pry tip screwdriver scraper with a V-notch, which is also a wire stripper. Measurements include about 3 inches long by 5/32 of an inch thick by about an inch and a half wide. Also has a 550 paracord lanyard. These first production runs, the pry tip has no face grinds, meaning that it's just basically the 45-degree bevel runs the whole width of the tip rather than being ground off. And the insert card also says that they're made out of S30V, when in fact they're actually S35V. Not sure on the weight, but it's got a good weight to it. Thanks for watching.